Everyone, hey, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners. I'm out of Brewster, Massachusetts. Today I'm working in Orleans. I'm cleaning gutters. So I'm looking at something on the house here, and I see it all the time. So I've decided to make this video in hopes of bringing it to the attention of homeowners in the area in case you've got the same situation going on at your house. Here's what I'm looking at. This house has an asphalt roof, fairly new. I'd say, maybe 8 years old. This asphalt roof should last for 30 years or more, and it's not gonna. Here's why. Well, the problem starts overhead. Around this house, there's several big trees close to the house with big branches that are leaning way over the roof. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this branch has to be 15 feet over the roof. Now that's doing a couple things. First of all, it's providing a lot of shade throughout the year. All that shade is allowing this section of roof to stay wet when it would otherwise dry out, either after the rain or after morning dews. That wet roof environment is providing sort of a hospitable environment for organic growth. That organic growth, such as moss, lichen, algae, it's not just ugly. Some of it's very damaging to the roof itself. So again, we look up in this situation, and here's what we see. We got the sort of grab bag of organic growth. We got algae, we got moss, and we've got lichen, both little and big. The lichen in particular is eating its way right through the outer layer of the asphalt roof. So if I could magically remove this lichen, we'd see little like scabs or pock marks where the outer layer of the roof is gone. I'm not saying that there's a hole right through to the attic. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying the outer layer of the shingle is gone, exposing the vulnerable fiberglass underneath. Well, the point is this. If you've got a house on Cape Cod, I definitely encourage you to have any overhanging tree branches cut back. Don't call me. I'm not a tree guy. Call somebody who does that full time, who's reputable and insured. Tell them you don't want anything hanging over your roof. That's step one. Step two is if you're in the Mid-Cape area and you've got organic growth that you can see visibly growing upon your roof, give me a call. I'll come out, take a look at it. I'll let you know what can be done to carefully and cost effectively remove that organic growth from your roof so that you can maximize the remaining life of that roof, whether it's 5 years or 25 years. Yeah, that's it. Bye for now.